This is a democracy issue for us all. We are here to say every single person deserves to be treated with humanity, dignity, and respect in this country. No exceptions. And everyone in our country deserves rights. Your struggle is my struggle. When pastors are shot in the face with pepper ball projectiles by federal agents during peaceful protests in this country, your struggle is my struggle.
Your struggle is my struggle.
When people are being snatched off the street by masked ICE, we all need to stand up. Your struggle is my struggle.
Your struggle is my struggle.
When my niece in Chicago, my niece, tells me the worst part of her week was seeing ICE surround her school, your struggle is my struggle.
Your struggle is my struggle.
And when we watch a president turn a court appearance into an attack to attack judicial independence and attack Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Judge Dugan, your struggle is my struggle.
Your struggle is my struggle.
The fear our communities feel is real, and it is justified. And we must name this truth. If due process can be violated for one group, it can and will be violated for all. Today, we stand together in this freezing cold to reject fear. We know Judge Dugan, and we know that Judge Dugan is committed to equal justice for all. We say, hands off Judge Dugan.
Hands off Judge Dugan.
Will we let Trump intimidate us? Hell no. One more time. Will we let Trump intimidate us?
No.
Thank you. And will we let ICE bully us?
No.
And will we let Trump and his goons silence us?
No.
And either will Judge Dugan. Hands off Judge Dugan, justice for all. Thank you.
All said, I'm not cold anymore after she talked. Man, that's crazy. To ground us in the legal and constitutional implication of what's happening, we're going to bring up Alexandria Staubach from the Wisconsin Justice Initiative. Everybody give it up for Alexandria. Here?
I'm ready.
Oh. You just calling stats?
It's cold. Good morning. All right, my name is Alexandria Staubach, and I stand with you today on behalf of Wisconsin Justice Initiative. For Brad Schimmel, as a former prosecutor, I'm going to say the quiet part out loud. Prosecutions are discretionary. That's right. Last week, Wisconsin Justice Initiative celebrated its 10th anniversary. We've spent a lot of time reflecting on our founding and our mission. At WJI, we educate, we advocate, and we agitate for a legal system that is fair, accessible, and impartial. A legal system that values every life it serves and in which no person is overlooked or counted out. And most importantly, in the spirit of the late labor organizer Joe Hill, we don't sit on our hands, we don't rest on our laurels, we don't bemoan and we don't complain. We don't give up and we don't give in. We don't mourn, we organize. We don't mourn, we organize. So when we hear about ICE agents infiltrating our most sacred spaces, our daycares, our neighborhoods, our elementary schools, and our courthouse, we don't mourn, we organize. When we see a place that is designed to protect you, your right to a fair and impartial trial, your right to protection, your right to dignity and equal treatment before the law. And when that place becomes a trap to ensnare people seeking justice, we are all less safe. We are all left safe because victims, witnesses, and the accused, They don't disappear, they just stay home. So when we hear about a victim who won't cooperate because she fears arrest and deportation at our courthouse, a place of decorum and order and security, we don't mourn, we mourn. When we hear about a witness who refuses to come forward for fear of prosecution and arrest because they sought freedom and refuge in the land of the free and in the home of the brave, we don't mourn, we mourn. And when we hear about people trying to take accountability for their actions, or to clear their name, or to exercise their constitutional right to be proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, who don't show up because they know handcuffs and violence and bigotry lay in wait, we don't mourn, we mourn. And when we hear about a judge who was gratuitously shackled and paraded around like a violent criminal on our watch, in our courthouse, in the hopes of intimidating us, we don't mourn, we organize. We are living in unprecedented times, and it's going to take unprecedented bravery to get us out of this mess. Nothing in America's history has prepared us for this moment, and every day it hurts to watch our neighbors disappear and our rights be eroded. But we're not going to mourn. We're going to organize. Thank you.
And finally, to reflect on the moral and faith-based responsibility to stand for justice and human dignity, please welcome Reverend Jennifer Nordstrom from the First Unitarian Society of Milwaukee. Everybody give it up for the Rev.
Dear ones, I want to say an interfaith prayer for Hannah and for democracy. And I want to invite you to engage your relationship with the holy in your language. God is welcome but not required. What I want you to do is I want you to reach your heart out and touch the holy as you know it and bring the power of your relationship with the holy into this space to mingle with everyone else's and send towards that courtroom. Will you join me? Amen. Oh, Spirit of life and love, the sacred within us, among us, and beyond us, God of many names and infinite mystery, beyond all naming, we come to you with our prayers for justice. Justice for Judge Hannah Dugan, justice for immigrants, justice for our courts and our judges, and justice for all of us here and all over the country. May Judge Dugan know justice and peace and freedom, and may this court know truth. May love prevail today and all the days going forward. We come here to this court from so many different walks of life with a common hope, justice for Hannah Dugan and democracy and due process for all people in this nation. We mingle the power of our spirits and hopes and our prayers with our actions to support justice here in Milwaukee and all over this country. Holy One, may this trial be part of a larger unfolding truth, part of a larger movement for a democracy of the people, by the people, and for the people. May we be part, just one part, of a mass chorus of voices crying out for justice and truth and freedom for all. Sacred that we know. Hear us when we say, we know all people are worthy. All people are valuable. All people are dignified, and may this day be part of the tide, turning towards a world where all human beings are celebrated and we move together in joy and mutual thriving, sharing in the beauty and abundance of this earth with equity and care. May we be expressions of love that move us all towards the beloved community. May it be so.
Hands off Dugan! Hands off Dugan! Hands off Dugan! Hands to thank all of our speakers for grounding us in this moment with clarity and with courage. As we transition, a designated delegation will enter the courthouse to observe the start of proceedings. You hear that, Milwaukee? We got support everywhere, man. This is just the beginning. We are the guardrails.
Yes.
Supporters will remain outside to maintain a quiet, respectful presence. Members of the media were available for brief questions here, and speakers can connect with you individually as time allows. Today, we show that Milwaukee believes in due process.
Yes.
Today, we show that Milwaukee believes in judicial independence.
Yes.
And today, Milwaukee is showing the world that we believe in a justice system that works for everyone. I want to thank you guys so much for being here, man. We are the resistance. Ain't that right? Hey, so media, if you guys have any questions, you can. Otherwise, we're going to chant and sing until we got to go into this courthouse. So, any questions from the media? It's cold? Oh, we got one.
Are there more rallies and gatherings like this scheduled for days after the trial, or just today?
Well, I mean, I think depending on, what ends up happening at the end of this trial here, there might be. I think we're right now wanting to show the judge right at the start of this thing that we're not leaving. We've been here since April. We're not going anywhere. Hey, Christine's got some too.
I think, the idea is to continue to support Judge Dugan so she gets justice. And I think just the cases that I just talked about is something that we want to highlight because it highlights precisely why ICE should not be in and around the courthouse, and the fact that Judge Dugan was questioning their legal basis for being there, and the interruption of her court proceedings is common sense. And that, we want to bring that to light so people can see exactly why what Judge Dugan did is correct, and the very dangerous impact that it's having on immigrants and their family members to have ICE be in and around courtrooms. So that will be highlighted as because of these recent cases.
Anything else? Going once? Going twice? Tell me what democracy looks like!
This is what democracy
I
looks
said, tell me what democracy looks like!
This is what democracy looks like.
Man, you guys are some warriors, man. Let's get in here. Let's go. Thank you guys, man. Thank you for being here. We appreciate you. We love you, man. We do this shit. We do this together. My bad.
I agree. It's like waiting a second. Super Pro Puppet. You know who the giant puppets that made? For democracy? Sounds like you have some self-interest there, sir. Thanks for getting them. I know. You guys know Little Che?
Hannah, let's get a picture of Micah.
I made articulated 17-foot tall giant puppets. I made huge ones.
Oh, this is.
You gotta make it as a present.
Huh?
We are Micah.
Oh, this is video. I'm live with Reuters.
Oh, cool.
Yes.
Very cool. So we are from Micah, and that stands for Milwaukee Inner City Congregation.